All right, my sister. All right, I'm going to give you a chance and introduce yourself to the people. Tell them why do you like the Congo? Why are you so unique from? All right, don't find out where my sister. Introduce yourself. What I'm sure you know. So that one part. For hosting this good event for us to enjoy. But